Well, a one and done trading session today. Had the right play on the move and just kept it a little too tight on my stop loss. We're going to go and recap that right now. If you didn't know, I stream live every morning on my main channel, Trades by Matt. Every morning at market open. These were done on my 2050K Apex funded account, so you can use code TBM for the best discount always. Let's go and dive into today's recap. Yo, good morning. Welcome. Currently down 0.69% on the session. Right near the overnight lows. We got yesterday's value area low right here as well. Markets are open. Yesterday's value area low right below the overnight lows. We got VWAP up at 970, and then yesterday's value area high and overnight highs looking at, 55 to 65 basically. We just swept the overnight lows and yesterday's value area low. We'll see what's in store for today. This is what the daily chart looks like. News on the session. We've got Putin and Trump on a call, I guess, currently. Other than that, we've got, where am I at here? 52-week bills at 10:30, and then noon we got 20-year bonds. More executive orders later, and then NVIDIA CEO is talking at 9 o'clock. I don't know if that'll do anything for the NAS or not. Slapping off the open so far. We got 6 minutes to be green lighted to trade. I mean, that was a pretty big slap, not gonna lie. That was like, what, 50 points? Pretty instant. Got those capitulation vibes this morning. No kidding. I mean, that was an aggressive little bit there for sure. Nice push. I mean, the retest of 765 or VWAP probably open 780. Both in the interesting spots. It's a 40-point rip or a 60-point rip off the lows, if we're gonna do it. All right, coming in for the 54 area. After 54 or 65. Yeah, I don't know what to do in this range, I'll be honest. We got initial balance being formed in 15 minutes. Might be the play. All right, initial balance is now set basically in 10 seconds. Initial balance is a 270 points, 264, 266 point spread. Hanging out at IBL for the most part, close-ish to IBL. 70 or 80 points off it right now. The big question is, are we going to rotate VWAP or go rotate the lows? Or are we just going to be stuck in the middle? Honestly, so rejected 50 last time. Value area high at like 35 or so. Big block here as well. 200 block at 32, 33. Honestly, if we do one of these, that's fairly tight risk if I can get the fill on the hammer. 50% retrace. If I still want it. I think I do. Value area high. Top of the range so far. I either get swept for 7 points, 6 points, or I get filled out. Those are the two options here, so. See what comes first. Looking like a sweep. Stopped out. -6. 6.5. It's a good close on this candle. I think realistically we still push back into the range. It's only fitting too because I get top tick stopped. I'm just like not I don't really know how to trade this. It might be a one and done day for me, to be honest. Unless we can like get out of this move, there's a fill. Full fill for me. So if I would have had a 7-point stop, I would still be alive and I would be up $200. Said I had a 6-point stop, got slipped for 6.5, and I'm down $130. This is gross though. Definitely, I want to keep it tight today because this is the type of session where I can just get chopped into oblivion. And all of a sudden you look down and you're like down $500 and you're like, what just happened? I took like 4 or 5 trades. I lost like 6 points each one. Got chopped up. Or you try and leave it open and then all of a sudden it nukes 100 points on you.